Hi, I am Saswin. As we see the title beside me, I have created a sliding gate prototype by using a microcontroller and a digital sensor. Automated sliding gates are commonly used in our country. People prefer this kind of gate because it is convenient and has a fast system that allows you to open and close the gate with just the push of a button. This system requires a program to function using a remote control. A remote control will be used as a switch where it will enable the operation of a motor. Switch 2 and switch 3 will act as a limit switch and to tell that the gate has been opened or closed. The IR sensor will detect any obstacles in the path of the gate and pauses the moving gate until the path is cleared. Before explaining about the sliding gate, let us know a bit about the microcontroller and digital sensor I have used. As for microcontroller, I have used Raspberry Pi Pico. It is a very low cost, high performance microcontroller board with flexible digital interfaces. Then the digital sensor I have used is IR sensor. It emits its own infrared beam and it detects the infrared that is reflected back to it from the obstacle.
This is my circuit and I'm using a IR sensor and I've already wired my circuit and I've connected the board to my laptop and this is the following coding. Okay, there's 3 LEDs over here. The function of the red LED is to detect the gate is closing or not, and the function of the green LED is to detect the gate is opening or not. Why? The function of the yellow LED is to detect any obstacles occurred in the circuit. Okay, now if I press the first switch button or push button, the red LED will start to blink, and like I said just now, the function of the red LED is to detect the gate is closing or not. So while it's blinking, it's the meaning of the gate is closing. Okay, if there's any obstacles, like someone is traveling through the circuit or any other human or inhuman obstacles, as you can see, the yellow LED has turned on, where it means there's an obstacle in front of the sensor. Okay, if there's no obstacles in front of the sensor, the yellow LED will be turned off and the red LED will start to blink, where it brings the meaning of the gate has started to close. And now if I press the second push button, the red LED has stopped blinking. It means the gate has fully closed. Okay, now I will press back the first push button and the green LED will start to blink, where the function of the green LED is to tell the gate is now opening. Okay, if I press the third push button, the green LED will stop blinking and stay on, and it's the meaning of the gate has fully opened. Okay, and then if there's any obstacles, the yellow LED will be turned on to bring the meaning there's an obstacles in front of the sensor, and if there's no obstacles, the yellow LED will be turned off and the gate will start to open. That's all. Thank you.
Here are the schematic diagram and flowchart for this sliding gate automation system. In conclusion, the outcome from this circuit can be seen very well. It follows the instructions given. LEDs can blink and turn on. This automated sliding gate is being very useful with the safety features. Everyone will be kept safe without getting injured and so on. Thank you.